Hey folks, welcome to the room tour here at Jambo Mara Camp in Masai Mara. So this is our room, this is the main door. Walk in and on your right is the washroom, the wash basin, the shower area and the morning cleanup area. Looks pretty nice. Then come here, here is a huge bed and a smaller one here, and there's a table, couple of chairs, place to keep your luggage, there's a coat hanger and some additional blankets. And if you just continue walking, so you have an awesome deck here from where you can view the greenery here. So you can go out into the deck. Let me show you. And so you can see it's very pretty, it's beautiful. And yeah, so this is a quick room tour at Jambo Mara Camp in Masai Mara.